lead, we make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Launch Lead Academy. Are you planning to take December 2023 math exam? Here we are to guide you to score 600 plus in the upcoming December 2023 examination. If you want to score 600 plus in the upcoming December 2023 examination, join our 15 days math online crash course which comprises of the following topics. We are going to teach you the shortcuts in mathematical ability, then application problems based on geometry, menstruation, and trigonometry, where most of the students are weak in this area to secure good marks. And we're also going to discuss some of the important concepts based on data analysis, reasoning, vocabulary building. These are the concepts which we are going to see in the next 15 days online crash course, which is to be started from 27th November. If you want to enroll for this course, you can directly contact 887004680, or you can also register through the link provided in the description box. Don't forget to enroll for this 15 days math online crash course from December 27. Join the crash course and score 600 plus. All the best, students.
Learn to lead, we make winners who lead.